Bro, we're getting lit the fuck up. We out here in the
Looking
sky,
red.
about 80 kilometers into the air. This is Pilot Matos. They can't hit shit. They're ass at the game. I can confirm they are ass at the video game. Bro.
Holy fuck!
Kill.
Roadkill, bitch! This is Private Dan. I'm smoking very heavily, my friend. Landing private down, going down. Illegal alien. Ouchies!
Illegal alien. I want your homie to know that you're fucked up, bitch. Get away, son. I'm playing with these sticks on Xbox. You be in the streets playing with these dicks. Alright, you know the drill. Shoot first, ask questions later, baby.
I see him, he's in that car.
Miss today! You're spitting factual knowledge right now, my boy.
That's a fuck. Get there. Fuck.
He threw an nade, he threw an nade. Don't move, don't go there.
No, he threw.
Bro, you gotta like stop so I can shoot him.
He's discombobulated, bro.
There's another one, by blue zone.
Fuck. Oh shit.
That guy's ass. Over here. Okay, you might go through the door. Oh my
the cheeks.
God, dude.
But those guys are still in the rock there. They just threw a nade, the smoke.
Up here, right on this rock, right on this rock.
Yeah, they're still there.
I knocked one.
Fuck, he's on top of the rock. Oh my god.
They're shooting at the guy in the... poor fucking guy.
He threw something at you. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
I hit him. Fuck.
Suck right here. How's that, pal? Fuck you where you breathe.
They're dead. Go inside.
I can't hit that.
Little pimply little shit.
You're on the street. I downed him.